Hey guys, Scrapper Vlogs here. Today we're going to be taking apart this modem. There's a part number right there. Sorry I'm speaking so lightly, guys. It's kind of at 11:23 at night, so see right there. It's terrible quality right there. So I'm gonna be whispering today. I'm not even talking. Super tired. Alright. What's that? Like this. So take these off first. Is that? Ow. It's a newer version than what my older ones are. Right. Got these off. Selling these on eBay. Same as eBay, so put these at the antennas. At the antennas. So my antennas from the other router. Just get gotta find the screws now. So I'll find the screws and get back. I haven't found the screws yet, guys. Get back to you soon. So it just pulls apart. Looks like this. Got a little tantalum capacitor in there. Right there. It's a little tantalum. MLCCs all over the place. No, these are almost, I don't know. Anyway, Intel. Intel chip. Crystal oscillator, screws, stuff like that. Just nothing real big. Wire. Some more cheap more than it is important. Wait a second. Huh. Interesting. Sorry. Just got intrigued. Oh, that's it for today. Like, subscribe, and comment for more videos, and I'll see you guys later. Oh, first little public servant announcement. There'll be a giveaway of an Indian head scent if you're intrigued by Indian heads. It'll be a search video of coins and stuff. And then I might give away more silver, like dimes, silver quarters, silver stuff like that. Depending. I think about giving this pretty much almost uncirculated note. Rowan. 1976. Look at that baby. Right there. Alright. See you guys later. Hope you enjoyed.